Hello, my dear friends. I am Dr. Shraddha Deshpande, Assistant Professor and Head, Department of English, Dharampet MP Dev Memorial Science College, Nagpur. I welcome you all to my channel, Learning English is Easy. It is, believe me. And today we are going to discuss prepositions of time at, on, and in this video. So let's begin. So when we are talking about a day, that is a specific day, like Friday, we always say on Friday or on Saturday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday, like this. But when we are talking about a week, months, years, decades, or even a century, we always use in. That is, in a week, in the month of August, in 1980, in 1960s, or in 21st century. So now let us take these examples. When we are talking about holidays with a specific day, for example, let us take Diwali. If we are talking about a specific day on Diwali, for example, Lakshmi Pujan, we would say that I am coming on the eve of Diwali. The next is at. We are talking about holidays without day, means any time during Diwali holidays. For example, the this year we had Diwali holidays from 12 to 16 November, and if you are coming during that duration any time, in that case we say that I am coming at Diwali. And if you are coming in Diwali holidays, that is from 12 to 16 November, for the whole specific days from 12 to 16, if you are coming, it means you are coming in Diwali holidays for the whole duration. In that case, you have to use in. The next is very simple. When we are talking about a specific date, you have to use on. The example that I have discussed here is on 15th August. Whereas when we are talking about date, at and in are not applicable at all. These are few more examples where we use on for specific days. For example, on the New Year, because it is again a specific day like 31st of December, on National Voters Day, or on National Science Day, that is on 28th February. Now let us discuss these examples. We use on when we are talking about day and a part of day. For example, Monday morning. The first thing we are discussing here is the day. So it will be on Monday morning. The next is at. When we are talking about sunrise, dawn, night and midnight, we use at. And the last is when we are talking about morning, afternoon and evening, we say that in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. Here are few more examples. We use on weekdays, that is on all the days of the week. Then at we use where we are talking about a specific time, for example at 7 a.m. and in we use for the periods of time, for example in 3 hours or in 6 months. Again, that is the duration or periods of time. I hope you have enjoyed the video. I have tried to make it as easy as possible for you. So students, please subscribe to my channel to get updates and post your comments in the comment box. Thank you.